Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I got a bunch of requests for a bunch of other games, so I'm not just going to be playing AJ today, and the first one is going to be, what? Pick it up here? No. So, yeah, the first one, I'm gonna die Flappy Bird, so BRB with that game. Shit. Can we just play Swooping Eagle instead? Alright, I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, let's do this. Why did it go off to the side? Can I still play? Oh, I'm gonna go get another one. Why are you loading for some reason? Okay, I'm going again. Let's try this again, but I'm never playing this game again. Start. Space bar, space. No, I like mouse more control. This one is so glitchy. It was Alright, let's at least try to get to. Stop distracting me, AJ. At least try to get to. Why did you guys tell me to play this game? At least get to. No. Okay, I got to. I'm not playing this. Okay, next. Alright, next request is from the guy. What? Okay, this user is a bit weird, but it's okay. The guy you wish you were. Alright, let's see. The request. Minecraft. Alright, now I'm gonna have to download that. I can't. Sorry guys, I'll play that in another video if I can. Alright, next request. Bearville. Okay guys, I have been playing Bearville. I stopped playing it for a really long time. That's when I started playing AJ. Now, I still remember my password and stuff, but you guys requested it? I gotta do it. You know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. 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 Alright, if you want me to play so bad, where can I, I can't log in for some reason. Yep, I can't log in for some reason. Sorry, but I can't log in for this reason. So I had to go to the next. Boom. Alright, so next one. Next one is a question for some reason. Says, have you ever played World War II? I have. No, I haven't. I've played Brothers in Army too, but I haven't played World War II. No, I haven't. Okay, next one. What is this? Octodad? I've never played this game, but I've seen my friends play it. You have to download it, and it costs money. And I do not want to do it. Sorry, guys. All right, next one. Geometry Dash. That game sounds really familiar, but I'm gonna try it out. BRB done. They call it the impossible game for some reason. Let's play. Alright. Let's go. Wow. It's so glitchy. How do we expect? It's so glitchy. How is that so glitchy? It's so glitchy. Oh my gosh. Practice mode. Jesus. Oh, impossible game. It is the impossible game, by the way. Oh, damn it. Yes. Jesus. Yes. guys. This is really frustrating. No! Yes. Put it in there. Yes. Where did the music go? Oh my god. I'm not used to this. I'm totally. Alright, I quit. Next question. Okay, the next one was have a conversation with someone, and I'm already having one. So let's talk to my buddy, ShadowClaw19616. Have you got unwanted items? Yes. It's gonna be awesome. What for? Who's on now? Pet. You recycled all your things. May I have it, please? Okay. Hold on. Okay. I can't click or use it now. Eagle hat. Cute. Oh, another one. Thank you. Say something. Okay, what else is this? What does TY mean? What does TY mean? Seriously, guys, I don't know what TY means. Take it. Wait. What does TY mean? Tell me. It means thank you. Oh. I seriously didn't know what TY means, actually. Alright, I'm gonna change my deck because I'm feeling uncomfortable sitting in a spot like this. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm just waiting for her to come. Why isn't she coming? Why isn't she coming? What is she doing out there? She's just standing there. Oh yeah, I bought a bunch of new DJ stuff. Where am I gonna put them? Oh, I know the perfect place. Shining lights for what? There we go. You learned something. Lol, I didn't know I don't learn anything. Say hi, I am recording again. Say hi, I'm recording again. I recorded myself. Say hi. Say hi quickly. So this is ShadowClaw. I said her name, so yeah. No. Wait, there. Does she have free chat? Do you have free chat? I'm really curious. I'm gonna end it here. Bye, guys.